from the Nerve Health Institute. We got Benny here today, and this is third visit. Yeah, third visit.
Third visit.
So we're working through issues that he has throughout his body, and oftentimes when it comes to, let's say, knee problems, if your knee gets to the point where you're so bad, they'll tell you it's bone on bone. Next thing you know, you end up with a knee replacement, and sometimes the results from a replacement end up not much better than the way you felt before. So the way he felt before, he had a lot of pain, a lot of restricted motion, but now he doesn't have so much pain in the knee. He just has a lot of restricted motion. That's literally as far. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I mean that's as far. It won't go back. This one, we can keep bending back, but this one does not bend back at all. So what ends up happening is when they put something artificial in your body, well, that's not part of all your parts. It's something that's not natural for your brain and your body to be in here. So sometimes what happens is your brain doesn't like these screws or plates or rods that they're putting into you, maybe even some of the plastic type stuff, and so it can stay where your body kind of reacts to it and it stays chronically inflamed. And so we have ways of testing here at the Nerve Health Institute. We have resonant frequencies of all kinds of stuff. And so this one's just medical implants, if you want to think of it that way. This is all different frequencies of medical implants that you put into people. And so right now, we're just gonna go test him to see what he's weak to. So this is the part of the knee replacement that they put into is one of the femur component. So the way we're gonna test it, does this hurt you at all?
No.
Okay, so he's real nice and strong here. If I just put this right on him, he's got absolutely nothing. Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
Okay, so that means that this component in his body, that he doesn't like it. His body doesn't like it. So that means it's gonna stay chronically inflamed, aggravated. He's not gonna be strong to it. So we're gonna put light into him to try to start strengthening him to this artificial component in his knee. And that's gonna help his overall health and make his body adapt to this, because right now I can't say, hey, let's just go pull this knee out. We have to make him stronger to the artificial parts. Okay, so let's just do the exact same test we just did. Hold your arm up here. If I put that there, would that go?
Mm-hmm.
How much stronger is that?
Yeah.
A lot stronger. Okay, so now we know the femoral component is stronger, and this is another, it's called the stem tibial plate. So we'll go here, and if I go there right on the tibia, he's strong to that one. And that's the beauty of what we do. You can tell automatically if it's strong or weak. This is a polyethylene insert, part of the artificial component of the knee. He's very weak to that one. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do the same thing. Your hand hurts? Yeah.
No.
Your arm?
Yes, yeah, through
Through the arm? Okay. So we'll use it.
those 2 a days again.
Yeah.
Fatigue.
Gotcha. Okay, we're gonna do a little different, just grip here. So we can use any nerve in the body that's strong. And believe it or not, this is a nerve powering a muscle here. It's not a muscle test, it's an actual nerve test. So we're using a strong nerve in his body to see if he's got any weakness somewhere else. And it's almost like a short circuit that happens. People think this is weird looking, but it's really not. We're using a strong nerve like this one, like a strong breaker in your breaker box. And if we put something else to something else that's weak, your body will suck the power from the strong to go to the weak. So a few seconds ago, he was very weak to this, and now he's very strong. So if you have artificial components out there and you're still suffering, this is stuff we can help you with.